Welcome to Body Make and Health Management. Today we're answering a surprisingly debated question. When is the best time to drink water around meals? Is it before, during, or after eating? And does timing really matter for digestion or weight management? We'll break down the science, bust some myths, and give you clear, practical advice you can use right away. This isn't about strict rules, it's about understanding your body and making hydration work for you. By the end, you'll know exactly how to time your water intake for better digestion, energy, and overall health. Let's dive in and discover the simple secret to smarter hydration. Chapter 1. Why does water timing even matter? We all know that water is essential for life, but have you ever stopped to consider the timing of your water intake? Why should we care about when we drink water? It seems like such a simple act, something we do without much thought, but the truth is the timing of your hydration can have a significant impact on your overall health and well-being. Hydration is always important. It's the foundation of so many bodily functions. From regulating body temperature to transporting nutrients, water plays a crucial role. But timing can impact digestion and appetite. It's not just about drinking enough water, but also about when you're drinking it in relation to your meals and activities. Your stomach is like a finely tuned machine, a complex system designed to efficiently process the food you consume. It works tirelessly, releasing acids and enzymes to break down food into smaller, more manageable components that your body can absorb. Drinking a lot of water at the wrong time, particularly right before or during a meal, could, in theory, dilute these digestive juices, potentially hindering the breakdown process. This dilution could lead to slower digestion and potentially affect nutrient absorption. But it's not just about digestion. Timing your water can help manage hunger too. Water plays a significant role in satiety, that feeling of fullness that tells you to stop eating. Sometimes we mistake thirst for hunger, leading us to consume unnecessary calories. We often reach for a snack when a glass of water would do the trick, satisfying our body's need for hydration, rather than actual sustenance. Drinking before meals can help you feel full, so you eat less, naturally reducing your calorie intake without feeling deprived. Proper timing also supports metabolism, and helps you avoid bloating or sluggishness after eating, contributing to a more comfortable and energetic feeling after your meals. It's not about obsessing over every sip or meticulously planning your water intake, but about finding a rhythm that works for your body and integrates seamlessly into your daily routine. Small changes in when you drink can make a big difference in how you feel after meals. It's about being mindful of your body's signals and responding accordingly. Let's see how to put this into practice and discover some simple strategies for optimizing your water timing. Chapter 2. The pre-meal water strategy. Drinking water before a meal is a simple, effective strategy. It's a practice that's gaining traction, and for good reason. We often overlook the power of simple habits, but this one can have a surprisingly positive impact on your overall well-being, especially for weight management. It's a tool that can aid in controlling portion sizes and reducing overall calorie intake, making it a valuable asset in your weight management journey. Having a glass or two about 20-30 minutes before eating allows the water to start its work before the main event. This timing is crucial because it gives your body enough time to process the water and prepare for the incoming food, helps fill your stomach and signals fullness to your brain. This creates a sense of satiety, which can naturally lead to eating less during the meal. It's a gentle nudge towards mindful eating. Studies show this can lead to eating fewer calories and even support weight loss. The evidence is compelling, with numerous studies highlighting the benefits of pre-meal water consumption. For example, one study found people who drank 2 glasses of water before meals lost more weight than those who didn't. This demonstrates the potential impact of this simple habit on achieving weight loss goals. To try this, set a reminder before lunch or dinner, ensuring you don't forget to incorporate this beneficial practice into your daily routine. A simple alarm can be a game changer. Pour a glass of plain water and sip it slowly. Avoid gulping it down, instead savor each sip, allowing your body to gradually adjust and prepare for the meal ahead. This habit can help you eat more mindfully and prevent overeating. By taking the time to hydrate before eating, you're setting the stage for a more conscious and controlled dining experience. Think of it as an appetizer for your stomach, preparing you for a healthier meal. It's a way to gently prime your digestive system and encourage a more balanced approach to eating. Real people like Sarah have found that pre-meal water helps them feel calmer and more in control at the table. She eats less, enjoys her food more, and feels satisfied, not stuffed. It's about finding a sustainable and enjoyable way to manage your eating habits. This small change can transform your relationship with food. Make it a daily ritual and notice the difference. Over time, you may find that this simple habit has a profound impact on your overall health and well-being. It's a cost-free, science-backed way to support your health. Give it a try before your next meal. You might be surprised at how such a small adjustment can lead to significant improvements in your eating habits and overall health. Chapter 3. The mid-meal water debate. Now, what about drinking water during your meal? You may have heard it dilutes stomach acid and slows digestion, but that's mostly a myth. For healthy people, sipping water with food doesn't harm digestion. Your stomach adjusts acid levels as needed even if you drink some water. In fact, a few sips can help soften food and make swallowing easier. The key is moderation. Sip, don't gulp. If your meal is dry or you're thirsty, small sips are perfectly fine. Our bodies are designed to handle both solids and liquids together. Think of soup. So, keep a glass nearby and listen to your body. Sipping water during meals can actually support digestion and comfort. No need to fear the mid-meal drink. Chapter 4. The post-meal hydration window. After eating, you might want to reach for a big glass of water, but pause for a moment. Drinking a lot right after a meal can make you feel overly full or bloated. It's better to wait about 30-60 minutes before resuming regular water intake. This gives your stomach time to start digesting and makes room for more fluid. Waiting also helps your body absorb nutrients more efficiently. After this short break, drinking water helps move food through your system and supports vitamin absorption. So after a meal, relax, chat, or take a walk before you hydrate again. This simple pause can prevent discomfort and boost digestion. Make it a habit. Eat, wait, then drink. You'll likely feel lighter and more energized. Try this after your next big meal and notice the difference. Chapter 5. Finding your perfect water timing. So what's the best water timing? It's a blend of science and self-awareness. There's no one-size-fits-all answer, but rather a personalized approach that harmonizes with your body's natural rhythms and daily activities. Think of it as crafting a hydration schedule that supports your overall well-being. Drink before meals. Aim to have a glass of water about 30 minutes before you eat. This can help you feel fuller, potentially reducing overeating. Sip during meals. Instead of gulping down large amounts of water while eating, take small sips to aid digestion and prevent that overly full feeling. And wait a bit after meals. Give your body some time to digest before rehydrating significantly. Waiting about an hour can help optimize the digestive process. Here's how it looks in real life, a practical example of how to integrate these principles into your day. Mark, an office worker, drinks a glass of water 30 minutes before lunch. This simple act prepares his digestive system and helps him manage his portion sizes. While eating, he takes a few small sips as needed. He's careful not to overdo it, focusing on mindful hydration rather than excessive drinking. After finishing, he waits about an hour before drinking more. This allows his body to efficiently process the food without dilution of digestive enzymes. This routine helps control appetite, making it easier to stick to healthy portion sizes and avoid unnecessary snacking. Aids digestion, ensuring that your body can effectively break down and absorb nutrients from your meals. And prevents bloating, reducing discomfort and promoting a feeling of lightness after eating. It's not a strict schedule, just a flexible guideline. Feel free to adjust the timing based on your individual needs and preferences. Consistency is key. Make these steps a habit. The more consistently you practice these principles, the more natural and effortless they will become. Pay attention to how your body feels. Become attuned to its signals and responses to different hydration strategies. Less bloating, indicating improved digestion and a more comfortable post-meal experience. More energy, a sign that your body is efficiently utilizing nutrients and staying properly hydrated throughout the day. Better portion control, as pre-meal hydration can help you feel satisfied with smaller servings. Adjust as needed to fit your lifestyle. The best timing is what works for you, considering your activity level, climate, and individual needs. Experiment with different timings and amounts of water to find what feels best for your body. Observe how your body responds to these adjustments and take note of any positive changes, and refine your routine. Continuously tweak and optimize your water timing to create a sustainable and effective hydration habit. Smart hydration is about listening to your body. Turn water timing into a daily act of self-care, a conscious choice to nourish and support your well-being. You now have the essential tools for smarter hydration, especially around meal times. Try the simple pre-meal water strategy: sip mindfully during meals, and then wait a little bit after eating before drinking more water. Notice carefully how your body responds: more comfort, better energy levels, and improved digestion overall. Every single sip can actively support your health. Thanks for joining me. Here's to consciously making every glass of water count. See you in the next video!